Hello, and welcome to Fresh Vegan. With the trend of plant-based diets, many companies started making plant-based products. These products may not be as healthy as a real plant-based diet. However, they still get a lot of attention and people want to try out these products. Whether you are trying to go vegetarian or just looking to incorporate some more plant-based foods into your omnivorous diet, finding meaty alternatives may require a little thinking outside the box. Today, we will tell you about the must-try vegan freezer meals. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button and get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. There are a lot of plant-based meals that taste even better after they've been frozen. You can practically turn your freezer into a pre-portioned shrine of your favorite meals if you plan ahead and cook larger amounts. It is there when you need a huge bowl of vegan mac and cheese to console you. The same goes for vegan enchiladas or vegetarian burger patties. Healthy enchiladas are on the way. Roasted sweet potatoes, black beans, and kale are all used in this rendition. Eat as much as you want, then freeze the rest for up to a month. Put them in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes to reheat. What's not to love about this soup? It is warm, creamy, and cheesy. The melt-in-your-mouth meal is made with raw cashews, potatoes, and carrots, and other plant-based ingredients, and is dairy-free. It will be just as creamy the second time around if you freeze it to enjoy later. To reheat, defrost the frozen soup container in a bowl of warm water until it loosens from the sides, then pour into a saucepan and cook over low heat. You may also reheat it up in the microwave for 5 to 10 minutes on low, stirring regularly. Coming up, homemade veggie burgers. Chickpeas, vegetables, seeds, and spices are mixed into these freezer-friendly patties. You can easily freeze them for later use, exactly like the ones you buy in stores. Make a burger out of them, or toss one into a salad. The possibilities are unlimited. To freeze, let the patties cool fully before wrapping them individually in wax paper and place them in a freezer bag. When you are ready to reheat, heat in the microwave or on the stovetop until thoroughly heated. This soup will make any taco fan drool. It is a robust alternative that is packed with veggies and plant-based protein and fiber, and it will last for months. If you want to make this completely vegan, simply leave off the cheese or use dairy-free cheese. Once you are finished cooking, portion it up into freezer-safe bags or containers, leaving out the toppings. Defrost in the refrigerator or in a low-power microwave, then reheat on the stovetop. Cauliflower can be used to make wings and gnocchi, and it can even be cooked into a nutritious alfredo sauce. This creamy sauce, made with almond milk, nutritional yeast, and plenty of spices, may be poured over your favorite pasta, roasted vegetables, or something else you love. It is still delicious after being frozen, so you'll be able to enjoy numerous of warm, comforting dinners in the future. This tofu scramble with chipped potatoes and black beans is ideal to make ahead and freeze. Then, when you wake up, all you have to do is reheat it in the microwave or oven and consume it. Yes, meatless meatloaf is completely doable. Pinto beans, rolled oats, chickpea flour, and other plant-based ingredients are used to make these small meatloaf cups, a delicious plant-based alternative of mother's recipe from your childhood memories. Moreover, because they are baked in muffin tins, it is simple to split them up and freeze any leftovers. This quinoa version of fried rice has been given a healthy makeover and can be frozen for up to 3 months. You will have a healthy choice on hand whenever you want takeout, including mushrooms, carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers. This vegan mac and cheese has a similar flavor to the genuine thing. The sauce, which is created with potatoes, carrots, onions, and cashews, is creamy and delicious, allowing you to experience an old favorite in a plant-based manner. It also has 18 grams of protein per serving and may be frozen up to 1 month as an added bonus. This is not your run-of-the-mill lasagna. Zucchini, sliced mushrooms, frozen spinach, and peas are among the vegetables included. The ricotta is created from tofu, which is fully vegan. One-person portions of lasagna can be wrapped or bagged and frozen for a later date to make your life easier. Reheat it in the microwave when you are ready to eat it. Getting the correct balance of macronutrients, including protein, fats, carbs, and key micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, is critical for maintaining good health and achieving your goals, regardless of which lifestyle approach you pick. Our vegan food list covers all you need to know about putting together a grocery list full of nutrient-dense foods. Legumes and meat substitutes are examples of plant-based proteins. Non-starchy and starchy vegetables alternatives to dairy, other carbohydrates, and whole grains, fruits, spices, and herbs, staples for the pantry, and fats that are good for you, and snacks should be in your list. However, just because something is vegan or plant-based does not mean it's necessarily healthy. There are plenty of high-calorie, high-sugar vegan options on the market. Remember to check the nutrition data label and keep track of your daily food intake when shopping for the best vegan selections at the store. From collard greens to artichokes and parsnips, there is a plethora of vegetable alternatives. Eating more vegetables can help you receive a lot of nutrition without throwing your vegan macro balance out of whack because of their unique nutritional breakdown. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables and other plant foods have been linked to improve heart health, weight loss, and a lower chance of developing a variety of chronic conditions. Eating more fruits and vegetables has also been related to increased mood, energy, and hunger control. Many plants contain fiber and are high in many critical elements, which contributes to these effects. Furthermore, consuming more nutrient-dense meals has numerous health benefits. Well, that is all for today, folks. Tell us in the comments section what kind of meal you will try for yourself, and what is your thoughts about these freezer meal ideas. See you soon with another amazing video.